And maybe you'd leave me alone. Yes. Oh, maybe you'd leave me alone. I want to get video, and you won't let me. Oh, you're a stink bomb. Holly, you're making him mad. Holly. Holly, you're making him angry. You don't seem to care. Holly. Hi, Rory. Is she bugging you? Rory. Is she bugging you? Come here, honey. Holly. It's okay. Is Mommy... Would you leave him alone? Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hello. Is Mommy bugging you? Is she bugging you? Hello there, Missy. Miss Purple. Lucy! Oh, you're pretty, kid. Hello, Brandy. Hello, Brandy girl. Oh, you're pretty. You're pretty. Oh. Lucy. Lucy, say hi to Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Who are you? Brandy. Brandy, you need your face clipped again, you little flirt. Oh, and hello. Hello. I think you're purple. Yes, you are. Hello, pretty girl. We'll find your name out later. Yes, we will. Hi, Ember. Holly. Hello, Ember. Hello. You are Lucy Goosey. No, you're purple. Hello. You're Lucy Goosey. Ow! Quit biting my feet, Ember. You monkey. You monkey. Come here, honey. Rory. Good boy. Good boy. Just hide in the pack and she won't know where you are. Hello, Miss Purple. Yes, you're beautiful. Yes, you are. Hello. Hello. Mommy's got a pick on for you today, sweetheart. Poor boy. Oh, poor boy. And hello, Lucy Goosey. Brandy. Brandy. Oh.